Android 16 QPR3 Beta 2 update is now available on my Pixel 10 device. So if you have any Pixel 10 series or any other Pixel device running the Android 16 beta version, check on your Pixel device. What's the new, what the changes in the Android 16 QPR3 Beta 2, or what the problem or bug fix on this update. So you can check on your Google Pixel device by go to settings. Now scroll down until the system. So tap on the system. Again scroll down and here you can find the software updates. Tap on it. Now tap on update available. Tap on a system update. And here you can see the we stop the installation. Android QPR3 Beta 2 update. Here you can see the update size is 508 MB size on your Google Pixel 10 or other Pixel device. So download and install this Android 16 QPR3 Beta 2 on your Pixel device and see the what the changes, new features, what the updates or what bug fix. So tap on the resume. Now we download and install it, and I will explain all the changes. So stay and connect with us. So first one is the you can adjust the widget settings. So long press the widget on the home screen. Now here you can see the dot icon and remove from the left side. If you can't find any process, you can't see the dot icon. So you can adjust it like this. Now you can see get back the icon, dot icon. Here you can adjust it. So you can quickly change it like now, and you can see remove the icon, dot icon from the right side on your device. So you can adjust the widgets on the home screen on your Google Pixel 10 device. You want the latest Android 16 QPR3 Beta 2 update. Next one is the you can see redesign the settings system updates menu. So you can go to the settings on your device. Now scroll down up to the system. So here you can find the new categorize menu. So you can see the in the previous update you can't see this type of categorize menu like the update device, language input section, interaction section, automatic automation and intelligence section, system management, manage data. So you can see the categorize the menu in the system settings only, and you can see the new circle to search feature in this section. Before this update you can find the circle to search in the navigation mode. At the end you can find circle to search in the navigation mode setting, but in the latest Android 16 QPR3 Beta 2 update you can find circle to search in the system section at the main screen on your device. Next one is the when you select the wallpaper to set a photo on your device, you can see the new option. So go to photos, select the any photo you want to set, tap on three dots, tap on a uses, tap on the wallpaper. Now when you tap on the effect option you can see the list of different effects. Now here you can set the photos you want to set on your device. Before this update when you swipe it will automatically change the shape of the, like here you need to specific tap on the particular shape you want to set on your device, but in the previous update when you just swipe up left or right it will automatically change. So in the latest update you need to select the specific shape you want to set as a wallpaper on your device. Also you can adjust the photo you set in the specific shape icon you want on your device. So this is the third update you can see after the latest Android 16 QPR3 Beta 2. So for the desktop use, you can also see the new settings for the Google updates, like go to settings on your device, scroll down up to the apps, tap on the apps or you can search it here, tap on apps. At the end you can see the special app access. Now here you can see the new screen automation option. This is for the desktop use only. Allow apps to help you complete tasks by interacting with other apps. Screen content. Tap on a Google and here you can see this new option screen or automation for the Google application on your device. So this is the all new changes in the latest update for the Android 16 QPR3 beta team. And you can also see some small bugs. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.